Hi guys, when it comes to consideration on where and how to choose a property to buy, there are certain crucial things that should be on your mind. One is security. Two is development of the area or the environment. Three is electricity, which is very important. And four, convenience. Now your house, your home should be your sanctuary. It should be a place that you come to every day that would give your mind or keep your mind at ease. You know, after all the stress and crazy day out there, your home should be one place that you should always want to come into. Now, I was walking along this place a couple of days ago when I spotted this property and I decided to do a background check on it before bringing it to you. You know, I always give you the best. And guess what? I can confidently assure you that this property behind me that I'm about to show to you ticks all the boxes. Now, before I show you what is behind here, I would like you to take a look at the exterior of this amazing estate I'm about to show to you. Right, let's go. As you can see, the exterior of the property, which is the gate out, is amazing. It's beautiful. The road is interlocked and we've started working on the drainage system. Now, walking into this amazing estate, the first thing you see is the welcome center. The welcome center, which is almost finished, and the football pitch, which is like 90% also ready. Now, this is the swimming pool, which is under construction, and the fitness center is right beside it, which is also under construction. Here also in this beautiful estate, we are also going to be having solar renewable energy. We're also going to be having biogas renewable energy and good drainage system. Now, for you to enjoy all this beautiful infrastructure and basic amenities, you need to key into this off-plan project. I know a lot of us are always skeptical about off-plan projects. Why? Because they believe that you won't deliver, when would they deliver and all that. Now, to kill all your fears and your doubts, I'm going to take you on a trip on our past project, because over the years we've been able to satisfy hundreds and thousands of satisfied clients that have come over and over again to patronize us from our amazing projects. Now, Frederick, let's take them a trip on all our previous projects so that all their doubts and fears can be killed.
Okay. Okay. Hey. 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 Hey.
I'm sure you must be so excited, and the question that would be in your minds and heart is, how much is it going for and what do they have here? Well, here we'll be having one-bedroom apartment going for 24.5 million naira. Two-bedroom apartment going for 29.5 million naira. We're going to be having two-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, three-bedroom terrace duplex without a BQ, a four-bedroom terrace duplex without a BQ, and a four-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ. Now remember, I always say one of the benefits of buying into an off-plan project is the fact that you get to buy below the market price, which is this introductory price you are enjoying, and you have a flexible payment plan. Now, do you know that we have flexible payment plan of up to 24 months. Can you beat that? Yes. 0 to 12 months, you have no interest. For 18 to 24 months comes with a little bit of interest. Now, with an initial deposit of 30 to 50%, you are on your way to owning one of these amazing units that you are seeing here. Isn't that amazing? Now, we have actually gone so far. We started this project early this year, at about April thereabouts, and see it's barely 6 months, and we've put down about 150 units. Now, in less than 6 months, we put out 150 units. That's to show you the magnitude of progress we've actually gone through. And we mean business. We mean business. Now, all you need to do is to call the numbers on your screen. Call me today, and we would walk you through the process. Now, this property is located in the heart of Shongotedo, a developed area in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. And it's just a 10 minutes drive away from the Victoria Garden City, popularly known as VGC. This estate is one of the places that you would want to key into because the rental value here is amazing. Now, with all this development you have, with all the quality infrastructure and basic amenities that will be in here, owning a unit here and using it for rental income, you're going to really enjoy good return on investment. Now, if you're just joining us for the very first time, I say welcome. We're so excited when we have additional people into our family. Now, it's important that you click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever we bring up any new content or videos, you will be the first to know it. Now, don't forget, share and comment. Let's hear what you think, what you want to see. Let us know in the comment section. And remember, we give you nothing but the best in real estate, in lands, houses, Airbnb, the best of rentals that you can ever think of. So hit us on the numbers on the screen. And I remain your one and only, the Aitimo Williams, the property consultant in Lagos, Nigeria, and your best guide to your real estate investment journey. Now, don't forget to smash the like button. So until I come your way next time, stay informed and keep watching my channel. Have a lovely day.